I'm actually going to make some dandelion iced tea. And so I need to pick a whole bunch of the heads here. So I've got my jar of dandelion heads, and I don't understand why people don't like dandelions because they're absolutely beautiful. Somebody put the idea in society's head that grass was a good idea. Now, I don't mind grass if it's in an area that you're using it and you want soft ground and you're running around and using the area. But, you know, front lawns, nobody uses their front lawns. But there's a whole industry built around cutting your grass and stuff. And there's even laws in places where you have to have a certain type of grass. You can only do certain stuff in the front. And like, it doesn't make any sense to me. Dandelions are beautiful. They're medicinal and they're natural. So it says to add about 1 cup, but I'm just going to wing this part. Oh, I really hope this turns out good. I'll try that. I almost feel like it could use a little more water. So I'm actually going to add a little bit more, just because I feel like it could have that. And then I'm going to let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Look at that. So I got to put this in the fridge for 2 to 24 hours, but I think as long as it's cooled down enough, so I'm really looking forward to this later. Okay, so I'm going to try out the lemonade. So it got pretty dark. Just while sitting in the fridge, it definitely got darker, I think. So we're gonna try it out. I'm going to try some just like this and see. Ooh. Definitely tastes like earthy, like not bad at all. Yeah, it tastes very like a fresh and earthy. I don't know how to explain it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some lemon and stuff to this. And I'm excited to see how it tastes with that as well. I don't know how much to put in at all. I'm just going to put, oh, it smells good. I don't know how much sugar to put in. Could be a new favorite, you never know, right? Okay, so it kind of looks like iced tea-ish or something. Let's try this out. A little more sugar to sweeten it up a little more. That's good. Amazing. Dandelion iced tea. I don't know why people hate dandelions so much.